Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic for anyone who values their privacy: how to prevent Discord from accessing your microphone on your Android device. Whether you're concerned about security or just want some peace of mind, we've got you covered with these simple steps. First, grab your Android device and find the Settings app. This is where all the magic begins. Once you've opened it, scroll down until you find the Apps option and tap on it. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Now it's time to locate the Discord app. Look for the Discord icon and tap on it. This will take you to a new screen dedicated to the app itself. Here, you'll see various options related to Discord. Next, look for the Permissions tab and give that a tap. This section allows you to manage what Discord can access on your device, including your microphone. Now, here's the crucial part. You'll see the microphone option listed among other permissions. Tap on it, and you'll have the choice to allow or disallow access. To prevent Discord from using your microphone, simply select Don't Allow. And that's it. You've successfully restricted Discord from accessing your microphone. Taking these steps helps you maintain your privacy while using the app. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.